Here's the thing, nobody expects to build muscle without practicing repetition. So, why do we expect confidence without practicing courage? Confidence isn't something you find. It's not something you attain. It's something you practice. Just like building muscle, confidence is built one repetition, one promise, and one courageous choice at a time. What is up, my lovelies? Welcome to the Change Your Story podcast. I'm your host and transformation coach, Hannah Dawson. The purpose of this podcast is simple. It is to help you shift your perspective so that you can see yourself differently. Because when you see yourself differently, you begin choosing differently. And when you choose differently, you change your story. Because here's the thing, lasting transformation doesn't start in your body, it starts in your mind. And that's why we are here to help you build a fit mind, then a fit body, and ultimately a fit life. Okay, you guys, before today's episode, I have a couple of exciting things I want to share with you. Are you ready? Okay, first, I have officially finished writing my book. I am just so excited. It is called Change Your Story from Self-Rejection to Self-Love. And I have officially submitted it to Hay House. This is my book proposal for review. I will not find out till the end of September if they have chosen it. So now whether Hay House chooses to publish it or not, or I choose to do self-publication, one thing I know for sure is this book is going to find its way into your hands, your hearts, and your minds. And I truly cannot wait to share it with you. So if you would like to be the first to know and hear about the book updates, behind the scenes moments, and know exactly when it launches, make sure to join the Change Your Story book waitlist using the link found in the show notes. I cannot wait to take you on this journey with me. And secondly, if you are ready to stop just listening and start practicing these things in your own life, I would love to invite you to join the Fit Club. Because here's the thing, transformation doesn't happen by simply knowing what to do. Transformation happens through practice. And the Fit Club is where we practice becoming the woman that we are called to be. It is where we build a fit mind through mindset coaching, daily habits, and learning to change the stories we believe about ourselves. It's where we build a fit body through strength training, balanced nutrition, and learning how to care for our bodies from a place of self-love instead of self-rejection. And it's where we build a fit life, simple routines, accountability, and an incredible community of women who are choosing growth one day, one choice, and one story at a time. So if you are ready to stop starting over and start becoming, I would absolutely love to welcome you inside. You can start your 7-day free trial using the link in the show notes. Okay, my lovelies, let's jump into today's episode. Today, you guys, I want to talk about confidence because confidence is one of those things I think so many of us believe that we either have it or we don't, right? We look at someone who is confident and we think, she just has confidence. Or maybe we think confidence is something we'll eventually find, like when we lose the weight, maybe when we know more, maybe when we have more experiences, maybe when we feel ready, yeah. But I don't think confidence works that way. Actually, I know confidence doesn't work that way. Here's the thing, I think I know from experience that confidence is something that you build. It's not something that you find. It's something that you create. It's something that you practice daily. You know what? Here's the thing. We're all going to suck in the beginning. I remember when I worked at Orange Theory, when I first started, we had to have the mic, and then there's people on the treadmills and people on the floor. And I just remember, one of the girls and one of the other coaches saying to me, I was telling her how nervous I was. And she's like, Don't worry, just expect to suck in the beginning. And I never thought about it like that, right? Because you don't start out good at something. You're going to feel all the feelings. You're going to feel the anxiety. You're going to feel the nerves. You're going to feel the doubt. You just have to choose and be willing to suck. And knowing that you'll suck less each time, right? Confidence is something that you build. It isn't, oh my gosh, I can't talk today. It isn't built by waiting. It's built through choices that we make. It's built through the courage that we take. It's built through showing up before we are ready. It's built every time we do the thing that we said we were going to do. Confidence isn't built in one huge big moment, right? It is built one small choice at a time. It's not something that, like, we're like, okay, if I just do this once and then I'll feel, I feel, every area of my life, as you build confidence, as you step out and you're willing to try and you focus on one thing at a time, it's like a muscle, it gets stronger, right? But it doesn't mean that, like, there's going to be bigger things that you're going to have to take on that is going to feel, you know, scary. But that's how you build it, right? It's like a muscle. Nobody expects to go into the gym once and suddenly be strong. You just don't, right? We understand that strength training is built through repetition, through consistency, through showing up. Um, it is built when it's hard, when we don't feel like it. Confidence is going to work the exact same way, right? The more you practice courage, the stronger confidence becomes. The more you practice keeping promises to yourself, these are not huge things, these are just daily things. Like the moment you wake up, you know, and choosing yourself, choosing those things that you say you're going to do, your confidence in yourself will get stronger. The more you practice showing up, the stronger confidence becomes. Just like a muscle, confidence gets stronger every time that you choose it. Think about anything that you've ever learned in your life, whether it was driving, cooking, speaking, teaching, lifting weights, writing. The first time probably felt awkward. Whatever it is, there's a certain area in your life right now that it's coming to your mind that is calling you forward. Remember, confidence is for you. Confidence will call you to do the things that scare you, but it is for you because it is going to pull out of you what is in you, right? And confidence has a way of trickling into other areas of our lives. When you do the scary thing in one area and you show up for yourself, it actually has a ripple effect in other areas of your life and you start showing up differently too, right? The first time you do it, you're going to feel awkward. It's going to feel uncomfortable, trust me. You might even feel a little bit embarrassed, but that's what practice is. Practice isn't about getting it right, it's about getting better. Practice is not about perfection, it's about repetition. It's about continuing to show up until what once felt uncomfortable becomes familiar. I think, a lot of the time we get the order backwards. We think confidence will come first. I actually think it looks more like this, right? Commitment, courage, confidence. You make a commitment, you choose courage, and then you practice, and then confidence follows. I said it like this one time when I did a motivational talk. Commitment comes first, confidence follows, right? I want to use a little analogy. I love a good analogy. So I want you to picture confidence like a bank account. Nobody wakes up with $1 million sitting in their bank account. It doesn't work like that. Well, unless you're like a trust fund baby or you come from tons of wealth, but typically no, it doesn't work like that. It grows. You make one deposit at a time. Confidence grows exactly the same way. Every promise you keep, you make a deposit. Every workout, a deposit. Every walk, a deposit. Every healthy meal, deposit. Every hard conversation, deposit. Every time you choose courage over comfort, deposit. Every time you show up before you feel ready, another deposit. See, people see confidence. They don't see the small deposits that it created. So every time you choose something, I want you to think about your confidence like a bank account, like your confidence bank account. Are you making deposits into it daily, right? Like I said about my orange theory when I worked there years ago, it was scary. It was scary speaking on a mic. It was scary, teaching a whole bunch of people, trying to do multiple things at once, you know, um, and thinking I may mess up or nerves take over, but I kept practicing. And same with Pilates. I remembered my Orange Theory, so I thought, okay, Pilates, I'm probably going to suck in the beginning. I'm probably going to forget things. Same with speaking, doing my podcast, it became practice. I had to practice showing up no matter if I did it perfectly or not perfectly. Whoever showed up would show up. It wasn't about that. It was about me showing up so that others would feel empowered to show up too, right? It's it's confidence is going to be built when you do those scary things, when you stick to the things that you said you were going to do, and knowing that you have to practice it every daily, practice it daily. Here's the thing. A fit mind is built the same way, through one thought at a time. A fit body is built the exact same way, one workout, one meal, one choice at a time. A fit life is built the exact same way, one routine, one boundary, one courageous decision at a time. Transformation, ladies, is never one giant leap. It is 1,000 tiny choices repeated over and over and over again. And I always say rinse and repeat. When will I see the results? Keep rinsing, keep repeating, keep rinsing, keep repeating, right? It's never going to be one huge thing. And what somebody else does will never be what is possible for you, because you have your own gifts. You have your own treasure inside you. And it is the scary things, it is the promises we keep that pulls out of us what is in us. You just have to keep showing up. So today, I want you to stop asking yourself, how do I become more confident? Instead, ask yourself, what is one courageous thing I can practice today? What's one promise I can keep? What's one deposit I can make? Because confidence isn't something you find. It's not something you're born with. It's something you build. It's something you strengthen. It's something you practice. One promise, one choice, and one act of courage at a time. That is it. That is all. Ladies, if this hit your heart, or if someone came to your mind, my only ask is that you share it. You share it with 3 friends. Share it on social media. Tag me. It means the world to me. It is how the podcast gets found for other women just like you. And if you would love to, I would love it if you would go to the homepage of this podcast, whether you're on Spotify or Apple, scroll to the bottom, hit those stars, leave a little review, maybe what was your favorite thing, maybe a shift of perception or perspective that you've had. That is it. That is all. I love you so much. Thank you for sharing your time with me today. Have a great day. Bye for now.